All right, so this is the May market update of what's going on in the market, and it continues to be a wild ride in the real estate world for Southeast Michigan and for Michigan in general. Not quite as wild as other parts of the country. In Las Vegas, they have about 2 weeks worth of inventory. We're running at about 37 days for Southeast Michigan, and for us, that's as strong as we've ever seen it since we've been recording those numbers. So for us, it is a very wild market. So the question is this a bubble? What's going to happen? And the reality is that it's probably more no than yes, that it's a bubble, that it isn't going to be a bubble. The reality is that we've got 40% of our transactions are cash. We have lending standards that are really tight right now. We have housing affordability that's as high as it's ever been. All of those things contribute to the fact that there's a lot of room left in the market. And values also, although they're up, they're still off about 25% from peak. So all those things indicate that yes, we have sort of a bit of a bubble going on right now, but it is not a dangerous one at all. And probably through the second half of next year, 2014 and 2015, you'll see inventory levels start to rise back up again. You'll see interest rates probably start to rise up again at the end of the year, and all of that will sort of take a little bit of the edge off of demand right now. The reality is that there are some signs that the market is starting to settle a little bit. The number of inventory, the homes for sale, although they're still declining, the number of new homes in the market is going down. It's going down at a slower pace, so it's sort of a less worse scenario, which means if this continues for the next few months, it means that inventories will actually start to rise compared to last year, which we've been expecting to happen as sellers realize that their homes are worth more than they thought, and they can put their homes in the market. So we expect that to happen probably in fall, and it looks like it's headed for that direction now. But in the meantime, you're going to see a very strong market, multiple offers on the majority of the properties. And for those looking for homes right now, for buyers looking for homes, keep in mind that there still is about 40% of the properties for sale that are sitting on the market longer than 90 days. They're not the hot ones. They're getting the 4 or 5 or 6 offers. Take a look at those properties. They probably need a little bit of work. They may not be in the perfect location, but in the long run, they're still going to be a great investment and a great place for you to own and live. From the company standpoint, this past April, the numbers that just came in, was one of our best months, probably in the last 6 years. So we continue to outpace the market, which is great. Our share of the market is continuing to rise. So congratulations to all of you that have done a lot of hard work. And also the new rankings came in. And again, we're in the top 10. We're number 10 in the country. So congratulations to all of you for that as well. So thank you.